What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Did you miss me? Yeah, man, I tried to upload a video yesterday, but it be taking too long sometimes, man. The video, I be like, man, just forget it. You know what I'm going to talk about, baby. I'm going to talk about the yield farm, how to make this money. You understand what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody sending me the message, man. I'm going to get to you, man. I know everybody be thanking me and all that. Man, I appreciate you, man. It's good, man. I do this for free for the people. But anyway, I was watching my man Stank Mouth Charlie. He just did a video. He do video once a month. He done got rich and he ain't studying us no more, man. But anyway, and he was talking about new people and what they should do when they come into crypto and all that. He was actually got it from Muddy Mo, which y'all done heard me talk about Muddy Mo before. You know, Muddy Mo look out for the small people, you know, the minnows as he call them. You know, we all in the same game trying to get this money, man. But anyway, we all disagree a little bit how to get there. You know what I'm saying? So I got my way. Muddy got his way. Stank Mouth got his way. Now I'm going to tell you my way. See, we come from the old school. They gotta understand that. You know, me, Stank Mouth, Muddy, all of us, we come from the old school. So the way we did it, the new people can't do it that way. You understand what I'm saying? This is a whole new ball game. When we came in, there was no DeFi. You see, people forget that. DeFi is new, bro. When I came in, there was no such thing as DeFi and crypto. Decentralized finance. We didn't even have decentralization. Everything was centralized. You know what I'm saying? So you got to look at it just like the new money, you know what I'm saying, in the stock market. It ain't like the old school where you can buy some Walmart stock like grandmama and them did, buy some Coca-Cola stock and hold it. No. You got to get this new stuff like venture capital. You got to get in early. You know what I'm saying? So he was saying like, yeah, hold, you know, buy Cardano, hold it and that. No. I disagree. It ain't because you don't, man, we got Cardano at 3 cents, bro. Rule number 1, don't buy coins in a bull market. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know it sound good and it's safe to do and all that kind of, sort of. It ain't really safe. Because if you bought, Cardano was at $2.45 a couple of weeks ago. Everybody's all hyped up, Cardano going to $10. We got this coming, that coming. So you get people in it and it dropped down to $1.19. How you explain that? That might as well be a rug pull. You know what I'm saying? They ain't making no money. Ain't no DeFi on that, nothing. Just, well, hey, man, I put in 500. It down to 220. What happened? So it's a different ball game now. You understand? You got to take advantage of the DeFi, bro, while it's here. You know what I'm saying? Like, you looking at my favorite one, Drip. This is going to pay you one. You know how hard it is to get 1% a day, bro? Consistently. There is no DeFi project, no farm, no nothing that is going to pay you 1% for 365 days. It ain't out there. You see what I'm saying? Now, I love me some farming. But the percentages change. We all agree on that. The percentages would change. Sometimes they roll this and that and the other. None of it is safe. Even some of these coins. I love VChain, but I mean V8. I love Zilliqa. Look at it. I love Theta. Theta was just what, $15? It's like what, $8, $9? Bruh, buying these, you never buy coins in a bull market. If you're gonna do that, use the gains you get from these farms. That's how you do that. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it the other way around, because you don't get no gains from just buying coins. You know what I'm saying? Like you say, well, I'm just going to stack up on whatever coin, name a coin. I'm just going to stack up on XRP. Well, now you got to wait and hope XRP go to $5. Bro, that ain't the way to go. You need to jump in this DeFi. Now, here's the thing. Here's the honest truth. Before you get in crypto and spend your money, you got to assess your risk tolerance level. I say that all the time. Nobody talks about that. You have to assess your own risk tolerance level. I need to start me a crypto podcast where I can help a lot of people, man. That's before anything. You know what I'm saying? It's like trying to date somebody. You got to figure out what you like. You like them skinny, you like them big, you like them black, you like them white, long hair, short hair, fat booty. What? You got to figure out what you like before you just jump out there. You can be able to date 20 people. Then you're going to say, well, I like, yeah, come on, man. You see what I'm saying? So look, once you assess your risk tolerance level, then you make your move. 99% of the time, people think, they like high risk until they get in this high risk. You know what y'all know I'm telling the truth. Everybody, it's like a roller coaster. Everybody think they ready for the thrill until their first dip comes and you can't see the bottom. You holler like a little girl out there. You know what I'm saying? That's crypto. You getting this stuff, but you can't see the bottom. Nobody know where the bottom is. You start following these people, and this leads me to another point. Too many people get caught up, and this is something I disagree too. Like Muddy Mo saying, he says that people should know how much liquidity that like YouTubers and stuff put in these platforms for people to know. Which I don't have a problem. I done showed my yield watch. I done showed my wallets and all that before. But the thing is, that doesn't matter. Like, I'm just keeping it real. Too many people get caught up, just like they watch Trayvon. They get caught up in it because he come on and say, I'm a multi-millionaire. Okay. What does that mean? That ain't helping nobody to make no money. I can show you, I can have $20,000 in there, or I can have $2 in there. That's not what matters. What matters is knowing that something works. How does it work? Too many people is jumping in stuff and don't know what they're doing. That's why I try to show you yield farming and how it works, how much it pays. You figure out at your own what you need to put in now. When you start counting somebody else's pocket, that's the wrong thing to do in life, period. Counting your neighbor's pocket. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he got a vet, let me buy a vet. Oh, he got a Bentley, I'm gonna buy a Bentley. You can't afford that. Ask him what he does and how to do it. That's what you do. You see what I'm saying? When you go to trying to figure out well, he got this and he got that. No. How much does it pay? Is it legit? Is he got a Telegram? How I get in, how I get out? You know what I'm saying? How many days it pay? How many days it been going? Is it new? Are the devs cool? Like, you need to know that kind of stuff. You jumping in worry about how much Staker Maker got in there. How much Crypto Slow got in Flow. That don't matter. Does Flow work? You know what I'm saying? Have your mindset together, man. You see what, man, look here. I didn't start making money in crypto until and I always say this, till I realized I was on my own. That's why I got the whole slogan, crypto was a solo sport. It is. It doesn't matter who you listen to, who you like, who you don't like. Ain't no, you know what I'm saying? There ain't no partners in this thing, man. Cause you go broke, go ask them give you a Bitcoin. Hey man, I lost it all. Let me hold a Bitcoin to get back right. See how many messages go unseen. I'm just keeping it real. Man. So what you need to do, man, is figure out what you like. Now, the new thing to do is high risk, but to be honest, how these folk making this new money is these moon coins, bro. Now, some people don't want to hear that, and you shouldn't be that too risky. I ain't got nothing to do with your risk. I can't assess your risk tolerance level. Only you can do that. You see what I'm saying? We seen all the Safe Moon made so many. So, man, I can just keep naming them. Man. Keep naming them. All these moon, that's the new. You may not like it, but I'm telling you, that's how people are making this money with these moon coins. Now, you got to, just like back in with everything, you got to get in early. I can't, that's the number one thing people they can't understand. You come in, you want to be in crypto, but you're tipping and dipping and scared and bro, you just do what you got to do and accept the risk, or don't get out. This crypto is not for the faint at heart, bro. This is real talk right here. Crypto is not for the faint of heart. This is grown folk, grown man, grown woman territory. You either want to make this money or you don't. You're going to get rug pulled. You're going to get scammed on. Nobody is immune from that. The ones that make the money are the ones that can bounce back the quickest from that. And that's real talk. You understand what I'm saying? The quicker you can bounce back from a setback is the more money you gonna make. in crypto. That's anybody. You go to anybody that made some money in crypto, ask them. Man, you have been rug pulled in there. Yeah, well, what happened? Why I went to something else, went right back into something else and made more money. Even the old school, back in the day, the biggest rug pulls was ICOs. ICOs, y'all see nowadays rug pull, you'll make a little money and then they'll be gone. Back in the day, you wasn't getting nothing. You was sending your Ethereum to a address and some of that stuff still ain't came out. We talking about 2016, 2017. You was sending Ethereum all over the place. And we ain't got nothing yet. That's a real scam. So you got to assess your risk tolerance level, man. Get in here, try to get you a quick come up, and then make a move. So if you come in first, and if you already got $100,000, you good. So, if you got $100, bro, if you can't afford to lose $100, then you need to be doing some another line of work to get your weight up. You know what I'm saying? That's a fallacy thinking you're finna turn $50 into $1 million. That ain't gonna happen, bro. That ain't gonna happen. So what you need to do is get in here, get you a quick come up, hopefully try to turn a quick $100 into $500 right quick with one of these moon coins or one of these something. You know what I'm saying? Now it might not work the first time, you gotta do it again. It might not work that time, do it again. But one time it's gonna happen for you. For me, it was Hex. Ain't no Hex coming around the corner, bro. So for you got to find Hex ain't gonna do what it did before. We got in the first day. It ain't doing that. You know what I'm saying? So you got to find out what yours is. You know what I'm saying? Find your Hex or whatever. But it's gonna be one of these new coins. You get in, bam. You flip that $100 out into $500. Boom. Okay, cool. Take that 5, split it up in a drip or something. 250. You getting 1% a day on that. Now you got to find some more money, or you can take the gains from this and put it into something else. It's gonna take time. You can't do this in 2 weeks. And that's the problem. You come in, you look, you see somebody like me, got all this money. But I've been in crypto since 2016. I remember Trayvon when he had a stripper pole in his house. I ain't had no money. He ain't had no money. So I'm just saying, like, it take time. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man. It's just part one. I got more to say, but the video too long. So, it take too long to upload these videos. But that's just my thing, man. First, find out your risk tolerance level, man. You know what I'm saying? And stop crying. And let's make this money. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.